Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a section in your YouTube channel on your PC. Let's get started. First, open YouTube on your PC and sign in to YouTube Studio. Once you're signed in, navigate to the left menu and select Customization, then click on Layout. Next, at the bottom of the page, click on ADD section. Here, you can scroll to select the type of content you want to highlight. You have the option to choose from videos, playlists, memberships, and channels. For videos, you can choose to highlight your videos, shorts, and live streams. If you select playlists, you can highlight single, created, and multiple playlists. Memberships allow channels with memberships turned on to highlight members-only videos and more. Finally, for channels, you can highlight subscriptions and featured channels. Once you've made your selection, click Publish to save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully created a section in your YouTube channel on your PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thanks for watching.